I feel like I'm gonna get cooked.
So there's a bit of water on that after the last 4 or 5 days. Hello, Peyton.
Hello. Might be to it.
Oh, there's fire there somewhere. Oh, there you go.
A little time thing.
Get ready for the boom. Oh, I dare say she's gonna go boom.
Separate little fireball over here.
Are you serious?
How are they gonna roll cleaners? They're like 12.6 or what?
Aunties are here, how many?
25. Well, they never done
Excuse me.
Maybe they just have it over there. No.
That was amazing.
How come you didn't tell me about that?
Bonfire for 2025, folks. Outdoorsman 1996. It don't seem like we're going to get a supersonic boom this year.
Might be dying. I don't know. The conduct.
I put my flashlight on my wrist.
No, Jasmine's playing. And Felicity's not playing with us anymore. She's on A over me. I didn't even talk about it. It makes me play with
Come to the bench. By the bench next to the little fountain.
Why is there a fire right there and a fire right there? That's where
Oh, Max. Nope, wrong person. Oh well.
That helps so much. Obviously, he knows it's here. No, he's still alive.
Well, I think she's kind of pitiful this year.